In this video, we'll explain how to replace the display of your Huawei P30 Lite. For safety reasons, the battery should be charged below 20%. You can find spare parts and tools in the video description. First, use a hairdryer or heat gun to soften the glue from the back cover. Now, position the suction cup and use flat tools to slide along the edges. Be careful when you reach the fingerprint sensor not to slide too deep into the phone. Now, peel the protective sticker and disconnect the fingerprint sensor. We recommend organizing all the screws so that you don't get confused during the reassembly. Now, carefully remove the antenna cover. And the metal cover. Then the module for the speaker and vibration motor. Finally, you can remove the battery flex connector. In addition, also remove the flex connector. Now, remove the matching adhesive strips from the battery. With the help of the pull tab, you can remove the battery from the device. If necessary, you can also use heat and a flat tool. Now you can remove the display flex cable. Then heat up the display. Use the suction cap and flat tool again to carefully slide along the side edges between the glass and the black plastic frame. You may need to reheat several times during this operation. Take care to put as little pressure as possible on the plastic frame due to the fact that it is delicate and will easily deform. Once the display is off, remove the glue residue from the frame. You can also use compressed air if dust has landed on the camera lens. A microfiber cloth and a little cleaning alcohol will ensure that the new adhesive will stick optimally. For the new display, use either the appropriate adhesive foil or some liquid glue. Now position the display and press the sides firmly. Finally, connect the display flex connector. For the battery, use either the matching adhesive foil or some double-sided tape. Finally, attach the cable of the fingerprint sensor. Next, the battery flex connector. Now position the module for the speaker and vibration motor. Place the metal cover back on its original position. Now, insert the antenna cover. Then screw in the marked screws. Use a spudger to remove excess glue from the center frame and back cover. Use the matching adhesive foil or some liquid glue on the back cover. Before attaching the back cover, connect the fingerprint sensor flex connector. It was cool to repair together today. If you liked our video, subscribe to our channel. You can find spare parts and repairmen on kaputt.de.